We've talked about Bo Diddley before, the showman, the icon, the man with the square guitar. But this time, we're not just talking about who he was, we're talking about what he created, a rhythm that built rock and roll itself. Before there were guitar gods or screaming fans, before the genre even had a name, there was the Bo Diddley beat. Bomp, ba bomp, 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 bomp. Simple? Maybe. But inside that rhythm lived centuries of African tradition, Caribbean syncopation, and Black American innovation. Born Ellis Otha Bates McDaniel in 1928 Mississippi, Bo Diddley's journey from church choirs to Chicago street corners shaped his sound. He didn't care about playing pretty. He cared about making people move. Every strum, every stomp, every hand clap had a pulse, a heartbeat that traced all the way back to the African diaspora. That heartbeat became the foundation of modern rock. It wasn't a chord progression. It wasn't a melody. It was a rhythm, a feeling, a movement. Bo electrified the clave, that ancient 3/2 rhythm found in West African and Afro-Cuban music, and turned it into something the world had never heard before. He fused the blues, gospel call and response, and street rhythm into a brand new musical language. Soon, everybody wanted a piece of it. Buddy Holly used it. The Rolling Stones copied it. Elvis Presley performed to it. Even George Michael, U2, and countless rock and pop artists decades later built their hits on the Bo Diddley groove. And yet, while others got the spotlight, Bo often got left out of the story. He once said, "I opened the door for a lot of people, and they just ran right through it." Bo Diddley wasn't just a musician, he was an architect. He didn't follow the rules of the industry, he wrote the blueprint that everyone else followed. When you hear that pulsing rhythm in rock, pop, or hip-hop, that's Bo's DNA. That's the sound he built from ancestral rhythm and pure imagination. He gave rock and roll its first true heartbeat. And though the world often forgot his name, his rhythm never stopped moving. This is the Black History Vault, Unsung Architects. Like, comment, share, and subscribe on YouTube so that the names of our Black pioneers will never be